making video on it so that you guys are caught up in class. Um, some of you guys might have issues, especially Windows users, maybe some Mac users, but I'm on Windows, so hopefully I can help you all on Windows. All right, so here's my VS Code. I have my terminal. This is the project directory. Also, when we start, make sure you guys have that tech support SQL file and also the SQL 3 executable file. To do that, you'll go to the download page. Make sure you download this one. You'll have a bunch of other files in there, such as these ones. Just extract all, they'll all appear here, and then just delete the ones that don't say SQLite 3 alone. So that's how you do that one. But make sure you have those two. So since you already have your project folder and stuff, we need to create a virtual environment. So to do that on Windows, you do Python, on -m space virtual environment. I'm gonna name mine the same thing, but all caps, just so you can see the difference. You can see right here, there's that folder that's been created, and it'll pop, the prompt will come back up again. All right, so we have that created. To activate our virtual environment on Windows, we're going to do backslash, and then we have our virtual environment script, and then activate, press enter, and you can see it's activated. Now all we need to do is use pip to install Django, so we're going to do pip install Django, and I'll download, hopefully nice and quick. Almost there. All right, sweet. Successfully installed. Good. If you want to check the version, you can do django-admin and then -- version fully. And you can see mine is 5.1.2. Awesome. Good. Now let's start a project. So we're going to do django-admin start project, and then the name of the project, which is tech support. And then make sure you have the space dot, so that's inside our 315 project. So you can see it's been created right there. Good. If you want to run the server, you can, but I'm going to skip that. Now we're going to start our app, or create our app. So we're going to do Python manage.py start app. And then we're going to name our app, which is manage_products. And you can see right here, it's managed our product. Manage products is our app. Sweet. All right, so to set up our database, like in class, what we're going to do is for Windows users, we're going to do /SQLite 3, and then we're going to do tech support .db. You can see we're in SQLite, and then we're going to do .read, so we can read that file, and then we're going to do again we're going to do .read tech support .sql. Boom, and then you can see right here the text document has been created. And then if you want to verify that it's been read, you can say .tables and you can see you're all at the table. So you know that's running. And then I believe if you want to exit SQLite, you just say exit. I just do Control C to be honest. So yeah, it's program interrupted, which is exit. All right, so that's how you do that. Okay, so we got that set up. All right, let's go into our project and change some settings. So we're gonna go to settings.py under our project folder right here. This is our project folder. And you can see we have installed apps. Make sure under installed apps, we add our app, our new app we created. So we're gonna do manage underscore products. Remember, make sure your spelling is correct. So that's how you do it. We're gonna save it. And then we're gonna go down to databases. What we're gonna do is replace DB SQLite right here. Inside the single quotes, we're gonna do the name of our database, which is tech support, and then you can do .db. Tech support.db, just like the one right here. So you have now that one set up. All right, let's go to our models.py. You can see here that our we don't really have anything here yet, and we can close the settings. And to set this up, what you want to do is go to your terminal. You're gonna type in Python manage.py inspect db, and then you say products. What you can do is have the arrow, and then you get type in the directory in the app. So mine is manage products, and then backslash models.py. And so when you press enter, that should work, and you can see it all popped up right here. And then in class, we added a constructor, which was the function where we have underscore string, and then you're going to return self dot name. So that's what we did in class. And so far, so good. All right, so this is what we did. And I'm gonna pull up another window, and I'm gonna show you additional code that he written down for the class. Is in class. Just give me 1 second. Excuse me. Give me 1 second. All right. So here's additional code. So this is the one I did in class during lecture. We created 2 more folders in our apps folder. We created static that has our main.css. I'm going to close that right here. And then we have templates, and this is where he created products underscore list.html, and this is what he had so far. I written this down myself. He had this in class. Other things to note is in 315, in my apps folder, here's what my urls.py looks like. Here's what my views look like. And if I open up the tech support, this is what, sorry, not this one. So settings, this is what my urls.py looks like. I believe, make sure you have this included right here. And I believe that's it that we had so far in class. Hopefully you're caught up now, and hope this helps.